Hey Sangeeta, how are you?
Hi Manasaka, I'm fine.
Tomorrow there's a big event coming up. Did you know that?
No, Akka.
Yes, we're going to witness something very special, a solar eclipse.
I don't know, Akka. Please let me know.
To find out about the solar eclipse, you first need to know about the solar system.
Oh,
These are the members of the solar system family. They include Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Let's start with Mercury, Venus. Mercury and Venus have no moons. Have you ever wondered why? That's because Mercury and Venus are too close to the Sun's gravitational pull, which does not allow them to have any natural satellites. Sun's gravitational pull is the only thing which keeps the planets in orbit. Earth is the third planet in the solar system. It has one moon and is also gifted with life. And Mars is the fourth. The Mars has two moons, Deimos and Phemos, and comes the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt separates the rocky planets from the Jovian planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Let's start with Jupiter and Saturn now. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and it has around 60 to 70 moons. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. Uranus and Neptune are the farthest from the sun. This is it about the solar system. I think you got a crisp idea about it now. Hope you understood.
I understand now, Manasaka. It's very interesting. But how solar eclipse is happening?
See, Sangeeta, that's a very good question. I got a new slide for you to show how it happens. As you can see, the sun, moon, and earth are in a straight line. The moon blocked the sun's rays from falling on the earth in this kind of eclipse. There are actually two types of eclipses, which is one solar eclipse and the second lunar eclipse. Tomorrow we are going to witness the solar eclipse, so I am going to teach you about the solar eclipse only. The moon blocked the sun's rays, as I already told, and the moon's shadow falls on the earth. The umbra, the main shadow, falls on a small region, and the penumbra, the extended shadow, falls on a larger area. Only the region and countries in which the shadow falls upon will be able to witness the solar eclipse. We in southern India are going to be able to witness the partial eclipse, while the lucky guys in Rajasthan and the rest of North India are going to be able to witness the annular eclipse. What is annular eclipse? Don't worry, I'll explain that also. The moon is smaller when compared to the sun. Therefore, it cannot hide the sun completely and comes in the middle of it, creating a ring shape. This ring is like a ring of fire, therefore, we call it as the ring of fire. I also have a very nice clipping of how our astronauts from the ISS see the annular eclipse. It kind of reminds you of a diamond ring instead of a ring of fire.
Wow, all these beautiful things going to happen tomorrow. Can we see this?
No, Sangeeta, we can't see the solar eclipse with telescope, mobile, sunglasses, or even naked eye. It can damage our retina very badly. Even partial eclipse is very dangerous if we see with naked eye. Still, we can watch the eclipse with our parents' help. But my parents created a simulation to give you an idea how the eclipse will be. Come, let's watch the play.
Hey Sangeeta, Manasa. See, I have created a simulation here where the center you can see a sun, the green button is earth and the moon revolving it also. Earth always revolves around the sun like this. See, it takes 365 days to complete one revolution that we call as a year. Earth year is 365 days. Now, same way, moon is also revolving around the earth. Moon is revolving around us. Moon takes 29 days to revolve around the earth. From a full moon to new moon, again to full moon, it takes 29 days. Whenever in a straight line moon, earth and sun comes, the scenario called eclipse happens. This is a simulation for solar eclipse where sun's rays are completely blocked by moon, whereas the moon's shadow falls directly on the earth. That part of earth which receives this shadow, those part or countries region which comes under this shadow can witness solar eclipse. As you see in the map I am sharing you now, you can witness this annular eclipse from Rajasthan or northern part of India. As you see here, as the moon crosses our earth, where and all the zones it is putting the shadow on earth, those parts will only can get the opportunity to witness this solar eclipse. Similar way, we have lunar eclipse also. What will happen in the case of lunar eclipse? Whenever the moon goes back of earth, that is the earth comes in between moon and the sun, earth will block the sun for the moon. So moon will, for some time, during the passage of time, moon will be completely dark, we can't see the moon. Once it comes to the sunlight, we will again start seeing the moon. This is a small simulation we have tried out to show our kids at home. Hope Manasa and Sangeeta is very clear about what is going to happen tomorrow. You guys also tried something like this and show the kids. We are just revealing how we did it. We had a candle in place of a sun, and we have a small ball, green ball, a ball considerable size as earth, and a very small one, the yellow one as a moon. We have used a small string to attach it so that it can also revolve around that green ball. Kids, you shouldn't watch the solar eclipse by naked eye. Please take help from parents and enjoy this occasion. Thank you so much for watching. There is also a cardboard box method to watch this solar eclipse safely. I will put a video for that also shortly. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, பக்கத்துல இருக்க பெல் ஐகானையும் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.